Migao mathieth chako ayanga chanjo matuo matindo kata measles kod typhoid ne nyithindo manie kind dweche 9 nyaka higni 14. Chenro ni machakore tarik 5 nyaka tarik 14 dweni geto chopo ne nyithindo maromo milion 15. Ibiro time e sikunde, ute mag thieth kod chirni e counties duto ma pachoka. Kaluwore kod duol matayo thieth e piny mangima WHO, higani kende maromo ji 150 oseyudo measles e counties 25 ma pachoka. Kampen mar chanjo makamano Sirkal notimo mogik e higa 2016.
Particularly among children under 15. What is even more concerning is the rise in drug-resistant strains, making treatment more complicated and, unfortunately, more costly.
We aim at reaching more than 22 million Kenyan children aged from 9 months to 14 years old. And this means that about 40% of the Kenyan population will be touched by what's going to happen from next Saturday onwards.
This vaccine marks a turning point. With just a single shot, the typhoid conjugate vaccine provides up to 5 years of protection. It is safe, effective, and tailored for the young population most at risk. And this vaccine is going to be deployed to children as young as 9 months up to those aged 14 years. But this campaign goes beyond typhoid. Measles and rubella are resurging threats, particularly following disruptions from the COVID-19 pandemic.